South Kensington Station at the start of the Metro Tunnel. I'm going to show you the progress that has been made over the past few months at the stations and portals. We are at the western portal of the Metro Tunnel, which is underneath, right next to the station. Right, and the progress here has been going on very well, and so now we are entering a brand new phase for the Metro Tunnel. The construction team are starting to lay the tracks for the tunnel. New rails have arrived and are now starting to be laid across the whole tunnel. Rail laying will start from State Library Station and we'll first head westward through Parkville and Arden stations, and we'll head towards the western portal. And you can see a junction has been made over there by the Sunbury line. No, not that junction, it's just at the one at the front, way down there. Right, then once that stage is finished, then rail laying will commence eastwards from State Library Station again, and we'll head through Town Hall and Anzac stations before reaching the eastern portal. This stage will be completed by mid-2023 and trains will start testing through the tunnel. So yeah, see ya. So we just exited South Kensington Station, which is obviously right here, and through here you can actually get a glimpse of the backside of the western portal entrance, and I'm currently standing right over the tracks where the tracks will be in the tunnels. So yeah, we're right next to JJ Holland Park, which is over here, and there was a match that just went here a few minutes ago, but it's now the crowd has eased a little. Yeah, it's really good. So here's the Metro Tunnel Western Portal, and much more like mesh concrete structures than there were last time. Oh my gosh, it just wheel slipped out of South Kent for some reason. It wasn't raining today, but I'm not too sure why it wheel slipped. So here is the below is the Metro Tunnel portals, and here is where they formed. Around here is where they formed the junction for the new Metro Tunnel tracks, and they're currently installing them on the Metro Tunnel since tunneling is now complete. And so they'll install the tracks and the overhead power cables. So we're at the Arden station site, very close to it. So we need to cross the road. So we're heading to the Arden station site, which is I already see it. It's just by the over there where that MCG cranes are. Just through here. just through here. So we are now at the Arden station site, and the progress here is going very smoothly, and the new station arch is currently being constructed. Construction on the new station arch commenced at the end of 2021. The station arch is made up of 15 individual arches, 52 precast concrete segments, and 104,000 bricks. The archway's bricks are locally made in Victoria, each hand cut to fit into the arches, and then secured to the concrete segments using stainless steel ties, mesh, and epoxy. Each segment weighs between 48 and 60 tons. When Arden Station opens, passengers will go through the arch and down a set of escalators to the new ticket area. Then they will pass through the gates and head onto another set of escalators that will take them down to the platforms with platform edge doors or platform screen doors. And this feature will be seen at all stations on the Metro Tunnel. So you can't actually see it, but the station arch is located just over there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just down over there somewhere. And wow, this industrial area is so run down. They need to demolish this to make way for new high-rise developments here. Alright, so we just moved a little bit further. Now we're on the other side of Lawrence Street right here. And here you've got a much beautiful view of the main station building of Arden Station. And you can see the station arch, and you can also see the inside of it through the trees here. So yeah, it's if I just move up a little bit just to see it a little more clearly. All right, and over here you got a beautiful arch right here. Welcome to your famous Arden Arch. This arch is just beautiful. And let me just move a little bit further. Here is the arch, everyone. And where that blue, those blue hoardings there, those that is where the escalators will be, which will take you down to the main concourse level. And so basically, when all of this is finished, there will be oh geez, the wind here. Anyway, so once all of this is complete, there will be like a tiling cement work will happen here, and then there will be stairs which will head into the main arch, and then so passengers can access that. And this area here will also be landscaped with big trees, and there is an artist impression about this on the Big Build website. So I'll put a link to their project page on Big Build in the description below, so that you can see it for yourself. And they have that artist impression of what this will look like when it's finished with the landscape trees. And yeah, you can see there's not much going on in this very quiet street, but hey, it's beautiful to see an arch taking shape right now. Alright, so this is the artist impression of the new Arden Station, and as I've told you, there's landscaped trees right here, and so and in order to make this area more nice and green, and it will be much more beautiful rather than the and more spacious rather than the original artist impression, which didn't have these. Sorry about that. So the original artist impression didn't have these landscaped trees. Instead, they just had like a forecourt with no greenery, lush greenery. But now, I do like this artist impression. It's beautiful. And there's also provision for a brand new an additional entrance, which will be built somewhere around this area right here, I believe. And so we are right here, and North Melbourne Station is here. So yeah, it's quite a good area. So we are now at Parkville Station, and the progress here is going smoothly as well. Works which are continuing include steel fixing, installation of formwork and waterproofing membrane, concrete pours, steel structure erection, and daily deliveries of plant and material. Installation of precast concrete units using telehandlers and hand tools. Construction of architectural elements, platforms, internal walls, columns, station levels, and roof. Fit-out works involve the delivery and installation of mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems, including escalators, lifts, and associated equipment. And through here, you can see the works which are continuing right now, and through here. And originally this was like a sand pit with like construction vehicles on it, but now it's all changed. So I believe tiling work is happening right now, and so yeah, it's very good. So we just came from Lizzie Street, which is down that way, through this tunnel right here, and now we're on this street right here, which is like very empty. This is at the I believe this is Berkeley Street, I believe, but I might be wrong, so please let me know in the comments. Anyway, so this is, you can get a much better view of the Parkville station site through here, and I believe they're still excavating the station, yeah, work on the station building will commence probably later in 2022. So we are now at State Library Station, the next station after Parkville on the Metro Tunnel. Currently under track crossing excavation is currently taking place, and it's expected to be finished by mid-May. Then concrete line installation work will commence at the Stewart Street site and will be finished by the end of May. Then once that is done, the columns and beams will be assembled and will form the new station entrance. This stage will be finished by mid-July. And we're currently on the Latrobe Street site, which is like, yeah, there's not much to say about this, just like Parkville, other than like, the work here is progressing very smoothly. And it will be completed in 3 years' time. So we're on the Little Latrobe Street site, and the site here is actually really crammed in because of the Brady Hotels building on one side, and and this black building on this side, which is of course KFC. Yeah. Right. And so there are a few other work sites, but I've decided to show you this one because it's much quieter here, and yeah, it's good. So we are now at the Town Hall Station site. This will be the next station after State Library on the Metro Tunnel, and current works which are taking place are the construction of the underground station platforms in the Town Hall Station precinct. These works will involve the installation of waterproofing materials, steel and concrete within the central cavern and rail tunnels. There will be regular truck movements to deliver steel and concrete from the acoustic sheds, and these works are expected to generate low levels of noise and vibration. And you can see there's 3 work sites of Town Hall Station. So one of the work sites is right here, right beside the Swanston Street St Kilda Road tram corridor, and this is the busiest tram corridor on the planet. And this over there, that's the second work site, which is right by the actual town hall itself, and next to St. Paul's Cathedral. And you can see that's the Flinders Street site. That will be where the main entrance is. So it's very good, and the progress here is going very smoothly as well. Another part of Town Hall Station, and work is progressing smoothly. Now this part here is another this will be another entrance of Town Hall Station, and through there will be where the stairs will lead to the entrance, and there will be the gates after the entrance, and then there will be escalators that will take you down over to the platform level. And there will be subways that can take you over to Flinders Street Station, which is down there. So, yeah. So, this is another entrance of Town Hall Station. And it's right, it's sandwiched between Federation Square here and right opposite to Flinders Street Station, which is just right there. And so a new underpass will be constructed between this part here, which will be a new station entrance, and Flinders Street Station right here. And we're standing right beside this cathedral here. I believe it's St. Paul's Cathedral, but I might be wrong though. Let me know. And so this is the intersection of Flinders and Swanston Streets. So we are now at the Anzac station site, and currently there is a new major phase going on. As you can see, the acoustic shed is now gone, and work is starting on the new train and tram interchange. Work has also started on the new station entrances, concourse, platforms, and the station canopy. 12 new green lakes have been delivered, and this will form the new station canopy and the main station entrance. The new lakes will be connected to a set of timber beams. In the timber canopy, there will be a set of skylights. This will allow natural light to penetrate the station concourse. The new tram stop will sit underneath the station canopy. So once you hop off the tram, you will immediately be able to walk into the station entrance within a matter of seconds. This will be a first for Melbourne. And as you can see, the works here are going very well. And as you can already see, the Anzac station taking shape right now. Right, so we are now near the side of Anzac station, behind this fence here. And through here you can get a shot of the work site. Yeah. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. Hi. Hi. Right, so we are now at the Metro Tunnel Eastern Portal, right by South Yarra Station. Work here is progressing very smoothly. But other than that, there is not much has changed in the recent weeks. If we rewind back 6 years ago to 2015. So the tracks, the two middle tracks, were actually were in the way of the portal. So during the summer holidays between December 2019 and January 2020, they had to realign the tracks to make way for the portal. There is not much to say about this other than the work here is progressing smoothly. So yeah, it's good. Now we are by the William Street bridge, and the road up ahead is blocked because of the construction right here. And through the fence here, you got the Metro Tunnel construction here, which is down below. Yeah, and during September and October of 2020, TBM's Millie and Alice reached the Eastern Portal entrance. Yeah, now tunneling has finished on the Metro Tunnel. Now they are going to lay the tracks and overhead wires. So we're leaving South Yarra Station, and we're heading towards the Eastern Portal. So here you can see the middle track deviates from the down Pakenham. And here is the concrete slab roof, which was put over the tunnel entrance. And here's the tunnel entrance right here. And you can see a portal trench has been built with new concrete. And you can see right here, there's a few sleepers and also some new ballast. And new tracks have been in place, which continues all the way to this junction, which is not yet finished yet. But it will be finished sometime in the future, maybe around later in 2022. So right here is the new junction that's not yet been finished. Here's
now
the
arriving at South Yarra. Change here for Sandringham services.
So around there was the ballast, and here's the portal trench, and over there is the tunnel entrance. And here's the concrete slab roof. So we are now on another side street, on the other side of the eastern portal, and through here you get another view of the construction which is happening here. So yeah, I'm excited for the Metro Tunnel. It will open in 2025, and there'll be new 9-kilometer twin rail tunnels, and 5 new stations, 2 new portals, and it will untangle the city loop. I'm excited to see when it opens in 2025.